I just moved here, and I'm actually doing the same thing, like looking for some commercial land. Okay. Like, yeah, I'm
Dude, check out Linwood area.
Okay.
Well, I mean, what kind of industrial? I mean, industrial.
No, I'm looking for commercial, industrial. Commercial manufacturing. Where I can kind of kill two birds in one stone. So that's what I'm looking for. Like I only been here 3 weeks now.
Seriously, check out this place called Linwood.
Okay.
It's an up and coming area, number one. Number two, it's a lot of industrial stuff over there. But number three, since it is up and coming, a lot of people already bought up the buildings and trying to rent them out high.
They just trying,
But it's a great place to be.
It's a great place to be right now.
Yeah.
So is that considered the OKC area, or is that the outskirts?
OKC. It's near. Is this yours?
Yeah, that's mine. I actually about to turn around. I was going to get them to you anyway.
All right, I'll take them. Let's get one over here.
Okay. But yeah, right now I'm living over off the 20 northeast area.
Uh-huh.
And I've been finding a lot of property off that 23rd Street, that strip, like 4 miles or whatever it is.
Yep.
It's a lot of good stuff right there that I think people sleeping on. And like a couple of them properties, I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Some of them was ridiculous, but some of them was like, I could tell that they was trying to get rid of them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So most definitely, I think it's gonna be good here. I'm already liking the city. I've only been 3 weeks. I'm excited. You know what I'm saying?
Good, man.
I'm excited.
I'm telling you, man, OKC is a great place. It's good cost of living. And we've got a lot of stuff.
I most definitely have noticed that.
We've got a lot of stuff going on here. Our city is more than up and coming. It's been up and coming. It's continuing to be so.